Across the world, data has become the foundation of economics. India generates nearly 1/5 of the world's data, but hosts only a small fraction of global data center capacity. Every technological revolution demands a place built to power it. Gujarat is that place. From manufacturing and pharmaceuticals to advanced electronics and semiconductors, Gujarat has built the industries that drive Bharat forward. Now, it is ready to power something even greater.
भारत सेमीकंडक्टर और चिप मेकिंग से लेकर क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग तक एक रिजिलिएंट इकोसिस्टम बना रहा है। सिक्योर डेटा सेंटर्स, मजबूत आईटी बैकबोन, डायनेमिक स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम भारत को एफोर्डेबल, स्केलेबल और सिक्योर एआई सॉल्यूशंस का नेचुरल हब बनाते हैं।
Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel, Gujarat is taking a defining step towards India's digital future. Introducing the Vikasit Gujarat Data Center Policy 2026-29. India's first dedicated policy of its kind for building a world-class ecosystem for green AI hyperscale data centers. By recognizing data centers as strategic infrastructure, Gujarat reinforces the reliability, resilience and long-term certainty that global investors demand. Aligned with the vision of Digital India, the policy positions Gujarat at the forefront of India's digital transformation. The policy offers one of India's most comprehensive packages of fiscal incentives, including capital and interest subsidies, power tariff support, SGST reimbursement, electricity duty reimbursement, support for desalination plant, and stamp duty exemptions. Combined with other non-fiscal incentives, the policy creates a globally competitive environment for hyperscale data center investments. With the continuous efforts of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri Harsh Sanghvi and the direction of the Honorable Minister for Science and Technology, this policy will accelerate investment, enable hyperscale AI infrastructure, strengthen India's digital sovereignty, and position Gujarat as the nation's leading data center destination. Strengthened by 69 gigawatts of installed power, including 47 gigawatts of renewable energy, the highest in India, Gujarat offers the energy backbone required for the AI era. With Dholera, India's first greenfield smart industrial city, and Gift City, India's only international financial services center, Gujarat is creating an integrated ecosystem where digital infrastructure, industry, and global finance come together. As global data center capacity is projected to approach 200 gigawatts by the end of this decade, Gujarat is positioning itself to lead this next wave of digital infrastructure. As Gujarat advances towards a $3.5 trillion economy by 2047, it will play a defining role in the vision of Vikasit Bharat. The future will not simply be digital, it will be intelligent, sustainable and sovereign. And Gujarat is building the foundation.